In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect HyperX Mic to Ngenuity. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to download the latest version of the Ngenuity software and how to set up your HyperX microphone. All that you have to do is visit the official HyperX website, so open a web browser, go to hyperx.com, and when you arrive at this page, you will be able to select Ngenuity at the top of the screen. Now you can download Ngenuity for Windows and also through the Microsoft Store, so choose whichever option you prefer. Follow the installation prompt, and once you have Ngenuity ready to go, launch the software. Now go ahead and connect your microphone to your PC. Usually this will be done through a wired connection, so all that you would have to do if you have a wired microphone is to plug it into any of the available USB ports on your PC. Alternatively, if you have a wireless microphone, you will either use the USB wireless dongle or Bluetooth, whatever option is available for your specific model. With this done, you are basically good to go. As soon as you launch the Ngenuity software, if the microphone is properly connected to your PC, it is going to automatically appear under the list of available devices. So Ngenuity automatically detects any HyperX peripheral connected to your PC. With this done, you will be able to select that specific microphone or any other device and customize individual settings. So for most HyperX microphones, these settings are going to be related to audio, like the volume. You will be able to monitor the microphone, change the headphone volume if it is also connected, and change the polar pattern for your voice recognition. If your microphone has RGB, you will also be able to control the lighting effects. So change all of these settings inside of Ngenuity, and if the microphone does not appear, first restart your computer, try restarting the software, and re-plugging your microphone. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect HyperX Mic to Ngenuity. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.